Why does JavaScript try catch lose original error context? Imagine trying to trace a mystery back to its source, only to find clues have vanished along the way. That's what happens when JavaScript's try-catch blocks lose the original error details. Let's explore why this happens and how it impacts your debugging process. When you use a try and catch in JavaScript, the error object you catch contains information about where the error was caught, not where it first happened. If you rethrow that error or throw a new one inside the catch block, the JavaScript engine creates a fresh stack trace. This new trace starts from the point of rethrow, replacing the original chain of function calls. Think of it like rewriting the story from the moment you caught the error, losing all the earlier context. This is especially problematic in complex applications where errors pass through many layers. For example, if a call chain involves a root handler, a database query, and an API call, catching and rethrowing errors at any point can obscure where the problem actually started. The error object in JavaScript has three main properties: message, name, and stack. The stack property is what shows the sequence of function calls leading to the error. When you catch and rethrow, the stack property gets regenerated, losing the original call sequence. Rethrowing errors is common, but it has a limitation. Even if you rethrow the same error object, the stack trace is already altered by the catch block. To address this, JavaScript introduced the error cause feature in recent versions. When throwing a new error, you can attach the original error as a cause, preserving the error chain. This is optional, so developers need to remember to use it intentionally. In real-world web development, losing error context makes debugging tricky. When errors happen deep inside asynchronous code, like promises or async functions, the original source can be hidden. To prevent this, it's best to catch errors where you have enough context to handle them properly. If you need to rethrow, attach the original error as a cause so you keep the full story intact. Understanding this behavior helps you write better error handling code. It reminds you to be careful about where and how you catch and throw errors. Preserving error context makes debugging faster and easier, especially in complex asynchronous flows. So, next time you're handling errors, think about whether you're losing important information and how to keep it safe. Using the cause property or avoiding unnecessary rethrows can save you hours of frustration when bugs appear.